Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Movie Camera Airplane. Looking for the perfect camera to capture your travel memories? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 travel cameras that combine quality, portability, and value, perfect for every kind of adventurer. Let's dive in. Camera with flash globe show in Europe, Africa, number 1. This video offers a fantastic overview of the digital camera with autofocus and 4K vlogging capabilities, making it a must-watch for photography enthusiasts and beginners alike. The host clearly explains the camera's 48MP resolution, showing impressive image clarity and vibrant color reproduction. The 4K video feature is perfect for vloggers, and the included 32GB card is a great bonus for those ready to shoot right out of the box. It's lightweight and compact, ideal for teens, travelers, or anyone looking for a portable point-and-shoot camera. The autofocus demo was particularly helpful, showing how easy it is to capture sharp, high-quality images. Overall, the video does a great job highlighting the camera's ease of use, making a solid choice for beginners and casual users. If you're in the market for an affordable yet feature-packed digital camera, this video will help guide your decision. Number 2. The DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo is a powerhouse for adventure seekers and content creators alike, and your video showcases its capabilities beautifully. The 4K per 120 frames per second resolution truly brings action to life, with buttery smooth footage that captures even the most intense moments. The standout 1/1.3-inch sensor and low-light performance are a game-changer. Your night shots were impressively detailed and vibrant. The inclusion of 10-bit and D-Log-M color support allows for rich, cinematic grading potential, and your color samples demonstrated that perfectly. Viewers can clearly see the depth and accuracy in color transitions. The waterproof build and rugged design make it ideal for outdoor use, and your underwater footage gave a great sense of its durability. The 160-minute battery life is a huge plus, and your time-lapse segment highlighted this well. Overall, your review was informative, visually engaging, and provided a clear sense of the camera's strengths. Excellent breakdown. Number 3. If you're looking for an all-in-one camera for photography and vlogging, the Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D is a game-changer, and this video does a great job breaking it down. With stunning visuals and clear narration, it highlights the camera's powerful 60x optical zoom, 20 to 1,200 millimeters, perfect for capturing far-off subjects without losing detail. The 4K photo and video recording quality is impressive, and the Power Optical Image Stabilizer ensures shake-free footage even when zoomed in. This video also explains how the camera's wide-angle lens and user-friendly touchscreen make it great for both beginners and hobbyist creators. Whether you're shooting travel vlogs or wildlife from a distance, the FZ80D is versatile and reliable. The video's hands-on demonstrations and sample shots really show the camera's capabilities in real-world scenarios. A must-watch if you're considering this camera. Number 4. The AKASO Brave 7 LE is an impressive budget-friendly action camera packed with features usually found in more expensive models. With 4K 30fps video and 20MP photo resolution, the image quality is crisp and vibrant. The dual-screen setup, including a responsive touchscreen, makes vlogging and framing shots super easy. Its electronic image stabilization 2.0 works well, delivering smoother footage during motion. Waterproof up to 131 feet with no additional housing, it's perfect for underwater adventures. The inclusion of two 1,350 mAh batteries ensures long shooting sessions, and external mic support is a big plus for better audio. Remote control and Wi-Fi connectivity round out a strong feature set. Overall, the Brave 7 LE offers fantastic value for vloggers, adventurers, and casual users alike. Number 5. This video offers a detailed and engaging review of the upgrade digital camera, a 56MP FHD10 80p compact camera designed especially for kids. The unboxing clearly showcases everything included: the camera, 32GB TF card, 2 batteries, and a handy lanyard. The video does a great job highlighting key features like the 16x zoom, anti-shake function, and user-friendly controls that make it ideal for young photographers. Footage samples demonstrate impressive image and video quality for a kid's camera. The compact, lightweight design is perfect for little hands, and the durability is reassuring for parents. The review is informative and honest, pointing out both pros and minor cons, such as limited low-light performance. Overall, it's a helpful and well-produced guide for anyone considering a fun and functional first camera for their child. Highly recommended for gifting ideas.